Sanibona bafethu uvane lo namhlanje ngizokhuluma ngocoach weBafana Bafana okubani okuHugo Broos. You see, one thing I like about Hugo Broos, uhlezi ezokhuluma into esekhanda. Yebo. Uhlezi ezokhuluma into esekhanda, ukutshela nje iqiniso. It's either uyalithanda lelo qiniso noma ulithandi. It's either uyalithanda noma ulithandi, but ke ukutshela iqiniso linjalo. So namhlanje ke intatheli uyazazi ke intatheli zebhola la ku-PSL. Zihlezi nje izoshona eceleni yabo bengazi vele bazombuza lo mbuzo lo kubeka ukuthi njengoba umbokazi eyodlala le eAmerica ingabe uhappy yini. Khumbulani ke phela uHugo Broos wayengekho happy with uMailula lo wasuka la eSouth Africa owedlalela iMamelodi Sundowns usayodlala le kuMLS yabo washo ukuthi akakekho nje happy neze regarding imove yathathwa uMailula wakumele ahlale kancane kuMamelodi Sundowns ahlale ukuze ezoba top player ozokwazi ukuthi arecruitwe ama-team amaningi aqhamuka le eEurope but ke it seems like iagent eyamthatha umbokazi Not umbokazi pheze iagent yathatha uMailula ayicabanganga kakhulu. Washo ukuthi ngokwakhe akekho happy ngalento le eyenziwe iagent kabani kambekezile imbokazi. Remember ke iagent yambekezile imbokazi linked with many moves asuka la eSouth Africa abadlali abaningi abasuka la eSouth Africa bawodlala le pheshe. Yabo you can count there are many players le agent le esize umbokazi uthi awodlala le kuMLS. Uthi yena ngokwakhe it looks like akayicalculateanga kahle le move le because if you look at iBafana Bafana iyodlala right now. Njengoba iyodlala nje iyodlala ini iAfcon. They are going to play in an Afcon. This is a continental tournament. Remember, Bafana have qualified for World Cup next year. That's a global tournament. Remember, iAfcon i-continental tournament lapho khona ama-team amaningi ase-Europe azobe khona ebukela uthi obani abadlalayo. Obani abadlala kahle esingakwazi ukuthi sibasayine abaqhamuka eAfrica. A player like uMbokazi can give you something. A player like uMbokazi can attract many teams. Yabo. I know vele European teams abo awarespect kakhulu ama-team ala eAfrica. But listen, Bafana last time they were in AFCON baphuma kephi kuma semi-finals. When you have a player like uMbekezile Mbokazi usedlala njengamanje. Ngokwakho don't you think Bafana inayo possibility ukuthi iwine? Don't you think ukuthi umjida akwazi usasize lapha emuva yabo don't you think ukuthi ama-team amaningi ayabona ukuthi ubalwa umuntu lo osiza iBafana kanje asimsayini uyasho kuBroos uzayi ngoyena ngokwakhe akekho mnandi regarding imove eli yabo it looks like iagent ibiyifunela nje okuya ephaketheni layo yabo ibiyifunela nje ukuya ephaketheni layo bekumele bathi ukulinda kancane kuze kuphele iAfcon neWorld Cup ilapho ke ama-team abesezofika khona azomsayina on a higher price on a higher budget yabo ngokwakhe if like incane le mali labomsayine ngakhona umbokazi ngokwakhe incane but ke wona ungangitshela how do you feel regarding le ndaba lezi eshow Hugo Broos nyamazi ke bafethu uBroos bengekho futhi umnandi nokuthi umbekezele imbokazi ufike late Mbozelo Mbokazi kuthiwa ufike late bafethu iBafana kade iqalela ukutraina yena ufike late kwi-camp. Jaden Adams wenza the same thing right now akasabizwa kakhulu kuBafana asazi akekho mnandi but uBroos with uMbokazi indlela ayiphatha ngayo mfethu umfana engathi ngashesha ilunge because siyamdinga umbona kuAfcon siyamdinga futhi umbona kuWorld Cup yabo awusiyena kulomdlali lo ozofuna ukuba isitha with uBroos because uBroos uyakwazi ukube endaweni yakho yabo at the end of the day uyena ucoach but again you can tell me in the comments how do you feel regarding le ndaba lezi ephuma noHugo Broos.